The Hardwood Floor Cleaner is for regular cleaning of hardwood, engineered wood, cork, and bamboo floors. It's ideal for cleaning up common messes such as food spills and dirt. We're using the Hardwood Floor Cleaner to clean up a coffee spill on a hardwood floor sample. Whether it's a dry or wet mess, the Hardwood Floor Cleaner only takes a few seconds to have your floors looking brand new. It's made in Canada, eco-friendly, and non-toxic. This cleaner tackles everyday messes effortlessly. Using the Hardwood Floor Cleaner is simple. Just shake, spray, and mop the messes away. No rinsing required, and it won't leave any residue or streaks. This floor cleaner is safe to use on flooring with varnishes, waxes, and acrylic finishes. Click the link in the description below to shop the Hardwood Floor Cleaner and other great FCS products. Thanks for watching.